Hey everybody, this is Brendan with Business for Chummies. In this short video, we're going to be looking at how to add categories for your posts in WordPress. So here I'm on my list of posts for rudepostcards.com. You can see I have the Hello World post that comes with the WordPress installation, and then I have a blog post here that I created that's currently in the draft status. So one way you can add categories is in the admin section under posts. Go ahead and click the categories link. And here, just give your name, your category, a new name. So let's do my new category. And so the slug will automatically be populated. This is the name that appears in the URL when you visit that category on the website. I'm going to go ahead and click Add New Category. And you'll see on the right here, the new category has been created. The My New Category slug has been automatically created, and we can just take a look at how that slug is used. So currently with my URL structure, it has the domain name, the word category, and then it has that slug for any posts in that category, which there currently aren't any. All right, next, if you want to add a subcategory beneath that, so you can have hierarchical levels to your categories. So let's say the My New Category was the parent. I can do my subcategory. Again, I'm just going to leave the sub blank, and then here I can choose which category should be the parent for this. So I'll click the Add button here, and then you can see that there's a dash underneath the My New Category, and that means that the subcategory exists below that top category. All right, the other way to manage categories is directly when editing a post. So I'll go over to the post here. I'm going to go into the editor. And on the right panel here with the Post tab selected, if I scroll down, you can see that there's a categories box here that lists your current categories and also the ability to add a new category. So I'll click that Add New Category link. I'll type in the name here. Again, there's the parent category option here if you wanted to associate it with the parent category. And then I'll click the Add New Category button. So while in the post editor, when you add a new category, WordPress is automatically going to assign your post with that category. All right, hope you learned something, had some fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Business for Chummies for other great videos. See you next time.